All right, folks, one quick slide here on the Kent State Massacre. Now, the Kent State Massacre takes place May 4th, 1970 at Kent State, a university in the state of Ohio. Now, so what's happening here is there's going to be student protests going on against the invasion of Cambodia. So what's going on back in Vietnam? Cambodia is a country that borders Vietnam. The United States, trying to fight the Vietnamese, the North Vietnamese, is going to go invade into Cambodia. The reasoning why is they believe that the North Vietnamese soldiers are in Cambodia and they're traveling through Cambodia in order to get access points against the Americans. So the United States is going to launch an invasion of Cambodia. Remember, at this time period, we already know about My Lai Massacre, a bunch of other different events going on that are really not looking too good for the Americans. Tensions against the war are quite high at this time period. A number of people are protesting against the war, and these students are going to be doing this as well. Not necessarily against the war, but particularly against the invasion of Cambodia. Now, the Ohio National Guard is going to open fire. When they open fire, they're going to fire for about 17 seconds. There's going to be 4 students that are going to be killed in this time, okay? So unarmed students sitting there protesting the war are going to be shot and killed by the Ohio National Guard. Additionally, 9 are going to be wounded. Now, this is going to cause a number of issues around the country. Number one, it is going to lead to massive student protests and student strikes across the United States, resulting in schools literally being shut down for a matter of months and weeks because they could not get stuff going. Students would not go to class. They were refusing to do this as a way of protesting against the government for what was happening. There's a lot of outcry and protest against the state of Ohio and the National Guard for doing this. There's a lot of protest against the United States federal government for doing this. This looks really bad for Nixon. This looks bad for anyone who's involved with the government at this time period and defending the war, because 4 college students were killed by the Ohio National Guard simply for protesting against the United States invasion of Cambodia. That is all for now. Questions, put them down below. Otherwise, good luck.